Lana ingapane lesikuyo le charity lena le siseplazini yamina sikufarm lapho khona sigcina inkukhu yafika inkukhu la ekhaya injwele sikhulise ize ibe na 35 days sizinge kuyikhulisa le nkukhu ibe na 35 days bese sesayi bayafika bengapane embuluzi bayayithatha seya upper la khona seyisentshetwa khona ngilenye inkampani ke lapho ngengene emathunjini ayo thina nje ngachaza nje ukuthi thina la ekhaya sikhulisa inkukhu sibhizi ngenkukhu nje sayakha siyivikele iziyokhula.
Successful poultry farmer and former member of parliament Mduduzi Johannes Magagula is proving that broiler production is about managing a food production system with precision and consistency.
Le phupho kwecala ngingasho ukuthi kubuka lesimo lesikhona emmangweni wakithi ngoba kwecala yonke into lo yenta kwemmangweni usuka uthuthukisa lo mmango then nyalo nje labaningi babangatange size bafike ehlane labanye bangatange baze balibone lohoko lelikhulu lelingaka badayelele amanakulo bathi ngemahoko la emakhaya kana sekulasha thuwethu inkukhu so ke lokungona kuthuthukisa emaswati thuthukisa ummango wakini ubeke embili ummango wakini uthuthukise live lengosi eMswati wesithathu lakathi khona inkosi wonke umliswati lalikhona khona ama-70 so ke lokungona lo sikuphophele ukuthi akube nebantu labaphilako ngalelo business ngoba each time uplana business uplanela nemuntu ukuthi how much labor that you need that business will require for the upgrowth of the tinkukhu.
Magagula says automation helps farmers improve consistency, reduce labor pressure, and maintain better production standards.
Ngingafeda ukuthi ngiyafika mina ngingumfuyi ngiva ngiyawati sisesina separlament vele ngawushaya ngikhona lo mthetho wale mali yale fund le ngiyawukhumbula ngangikhona nasiukhanganya so wacala ku-operator sesingephandle thina labanye kona usikhanza i-ADF vele ngiqale tinkukhu nga-2001 I mean 2021 so to say so 2021 sengitifuyile so ngikhanza vele ngisemgwaqweni ngiyahamba so nangiva-ke ukuthi siyathi sengimfuyile lo 28,000 wetinkukhu for quite some time the experience ngicale kufika nga-10,000 wetinkukhu ngicala nje kufuya nje inkukhu mina nje emhlabeni abantu basehlana bayadi ngacala nga-10,000 wetinkukhu ngitanze senze ngifuyele inkukhu lengaphansi kwalo ngabuya ngathi 14,000 ngabuya ngathi 20,000 lokunyalo sengu-28,000 lokunyalo sengiphinja ngikhuphukile njalo i-ADF ngikhanza ngu-28,000 sengithi-ke mina ngicela i-growth sengenani ngifike bo-55,000 wetinkukhu so that is where we are coming from so nje ufike wanginiketa hi-relay afike wanginiketa luthi lunye wasaqhubeka ukugijima nawo ufike la ukhona khona.
In the hot Lubombo climate, reliable water systems, hygiene and bird comfort are key to successful broiler production.
Ngingabonga kakhulu kuhulumende because i-ADF uhulumende waKaNgwane kusi ungithi mhlambe bangilekelele bangibambise towards fulfilling my dream so ngibonga kakhulu ngibongele nawo onke emaswati ngicele nekuthi i-youth lekhona kule live lakithi la kaNgwane mayisukume kusenjetwe kasenjetwe langephandla kusukunye kusenjetwe bangavilaphi bantu kusi noma ngabe kulukhunkwani indoda ayicine la ikhona khona isukume singabe solo sithi live la kaNgwane lisi live la kaNgwane that wendeni wena ukuthuthukisa ngoba i-employment lamhla kusitaba solo sisi ucashwa ngibani casha wena be the employer yourself bese uyakhona ke ukuphila singabuso sisi somebody else utasivula imali tikhona la ngaphandle emabhange akhona ngaphandle they are there to finance each and every project as long as ma attachments akho lowafakile kulawo akhulumiseka avakala batakusithi ekhasebhange
bangala ke ndawole the size of the house, the poultry house, it is massive. Really, it is massive. Siyethemba ukuthi nidawuthi nasen fully operational kulo phindze ngetelele kuze ukuthi into khona ukuthi nanto ukuthi njalo nje after a month nikhona ukuthi nikhicite nikhokhe then lokho sekunika i-consistency kule supply. Siyanibongela, siyanithumisela, siyethembana lokufika engqondweni yami njengoba ukuthi anti ni cooperative noma company ning 10 which one? Oh, that's good. Oh, that is very good. I'm Shalentan. Kukahle kakhulu ke nawe wethu.